guys? This is Freestyle. It is September 7th, Monday, and I am on top of Mount Jackson. I've come about maybe, I don't know, 7 or 8 miles today. Ethan Pond is like behind a couple mountains there, but the mountain directly in front of us is Mount Webster. I just climbed up that. You guys have no idea what I had to go through to get up that mountain. And Mount Jackson's here. You know, the trail between them was nice. And that mountain over there, that's Mount Washington. Yes. And yeah, that's, you can see sort of a hut over there. That's to be seen, but we'll find out. Hi. What? Yes. Awesome. I might even try and go beyond. Hey. Let's see what's going on over here, guys. But yeah, I'm trying to do 14 miles today up to Lake of the Clouds, which is about a mile before Mount Washington. So we might just be in clouds.
Weiler.
Weiler or Wiley?
Yeah, Weiler. Tyler with a W.
Yeah, this is Mount Jackson, guys. Looks pretty crazy, don't it? Isn't the movie in theaters now? The movie they're referring to is that one based off the Bill Bryson book, A Walk in the Woods. I'm sure if you like the book, maybe you'll like the movie, but it is not representative of through hiking. We hike faster than them. But not through the whites. No, even probably through the whites.
Secure the food or anything, was just out there, and they basically stood up with their tents up in the air, going, growling at the bears.
Don't ruin it for me. But yes, I've seen that part in the previews.
Yeah, that's why I said that.
Yeah, I am through hiking. Thanks, just trying to. Maybe I can get some things. Say again. I already did my work today. This won't possibly be anything. Well, I'm not going to do Mount Washington until tomorrow. That's the plan. Oh, don't worry, man. I will be good to go on water. Let's see, 6. Nope. I have not. It's about 6.5 miles to Lake of the Clouds, which is somewhere up there. When we get there, well, we'll see. But yeah, like, I'm right here. I'm right there at Mount Jackson. I have to go doop, 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 doop. What? What do you mean? Well, if I want to get to Lake of the Mountains on the trail, I have to.
Well, you gotta go over the piers anyways. There's no going around that.
Yeah.
Eisenhower, you can't go around that one.
I'm a purist. I'm not into yellow blazing or going around and stuff. But hey guys, we'll talk